Shrija, one of our learners, got her first AI/ML job in just 4 months. And no, she didn't come from a tech background. She wasn't a Python pro. She didn't even think she could do it at first. But something shifted. And it wasn't another course or tool or even a certification. It was a 6-letter word: belief. She started to believe that she could actually make this career change, that she deserved a better future. And when that belief kicked in, everything else followed. So here's the thing, if you don't believe it's possible for you, you'll keep thinking you need to be more technical, or that it's too late, or that you're not smart enough, experienced enough, whatever enough. But it's just not true. Maybe you've had a career break, or maybe you're stuck in a low-paying job, or maybe you've just been waiting for the right time. And guess what? That was Shrija too, and SJ, and Stephen, who by the way had zero IT experience and still landed roles in the Bank of America. They didn't have a perfect background, but they had the right guidance and belief. We are running a free live masterclass, and honestly, this could be your turning point. In this session, we'll walk you through the exact 3-step roadmap our learners use to land high-paying roles in AI, machine learning, and data science. We'll cover what skills you actually need, which certifications are worth your time, real roles, real salaries, and how people just like you made the switch, many hitting more than $200,000 roles in a matter of months. So if you are just starting out, or if you have been thinking about switching to AI/ML but aren't sure how, this is your first step. It's simple, clear, and no fluff, just what works. You don't need to have it all figured out right now. You just need to take that first step and believe it's possible for you, because it is. So click the link below, book your seat, and we'll see you there.